Hi guys, it's Jessie Marie. Thanks for watching. So this afternoon, I just want to give a special shout out to one of my favorite companies and my go-to financial banking app, Chime. They sent me this super cute Chime hat. Thanks, Chime. And they sent me a bunch of super cute Chime stickers. I've already stuck them on my flat water bottle. Now, this water bottle is life. It is perfect for on the go, perfect to fit in your handbag, backpack, etc. You can find this on my Amazon on my handbag must-haves. Now, super cute stickers. Rise and grind, secure the bag, millions of members, one love, let's get this bread, and more. And they also sent me this super cute little smartphone card holder. So I'm going to stick this on the back of my phone and I can hold my Chime debit card, credit builder card, and more. It holds up to 3 cards. So if you aren't a Chime member, what are you waiting for? Head to my bio and scroll down to Chime, click the link to sign up and be on the way to financial freedom today. Thanks for watching. I'm Jessie Marie.